Tired of complicated and expensive international money transfers? Then let's dive into how to send money globally with Worldremit, your hassle-free solution for connecting with loved ones abroad. First, head over to Worldremit's website or open their app. If you're new to Worldremit, creating an account is quick and easy. Just click sign up and fill in your details like your name, email address, and a secure password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, specify the country you're sending money to. Worldremit offers a wide range of destinations. Next, you'll be presented with various payout methods, like bank transfer, mobile money, cash pickup, or even airtime top-up. Select the option that works best for your recipient. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will clearly display the exchange rate and any applicable fees, so there are no surprises. You'll need to provide your recipient's details, such as their full name, address, and bank details if you're sending directly to their bank account. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer. Before you finalize the transfer, carefully review all the details. Make sure everything is correct, especially the recipient's information. Once you're satisfied, confirm your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message and a reference number you can share with your recipient to track the transfer. Both you and your recipient can easily track the transfer status online or through the Worldremit app, and that's it. You've successfully sent money internationally with Worldremit.